minus 5 seconds and
Launch
counting.
2. All right.
Number 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ignition.
Yay! Oh God,
That's going in the trees.
There it is.
Man,
It has a streamer that'll come
Oh, streamer.
out. Where'd it go?
Where is it?
You should hear a little pop.
This one went a lot higher.
This thing is gone.
Where'd it go? The last time we could
Listen,
like,
listen.
it went to the moon.
I'm serious, Sean. Something just gone.
The last one, literally, we could see it the whole time, and it came right. Like we could have caught it. It came down so slow.
Yeah. This didn't go well.
Where'd it go?
I wonder. I never saw it. You still put like.
well, where do you think it landed? In the pool?
I don't know.
I don't know, it kind of went, there's no wind, but it kind of went that way a little bit.
I was thinking it was going to drift right back this way.
I saw it go straight up. I don't know where it went.
Need somebody with me?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I don't know where it went.
We lost the rocket.
They give you 2 inches.
Dude, that thing went.
All right.
It was one to do it? No.